Hey, what's up guys, this is Satej. Samsung is reportedly working on new variants of already launched 3 new Galaxy A series smartphones. The new variants will be called Galaxy A70s, Galaxy A30s and Galaxy A20s. But in this video we are going to concentrate only on Galaxy A70s. But first, let me tell you, it is unclear as of now what the S stands for and the report does not shed any light on this. It could mean a minor upgrade in terms of performance, camera or software over the existing models. So let's begin. So first, let's talk about the design aspect, which is gonna be similar to that of regular Samsung Galaxy A70. You will get the same glass-stick body with glossy gradient design and a triple camera setup to complete the overall looks. On the front, Samsung Galaxy A70s features a Super AMOLED display that comes with a pixel density of 393 ppi and has a screen resolution of 1080 x 2400 pixels with a screen size of 6.7 inches. It is pretty sharp display, but it's not gonna be as good as Galaxy S10 series because we have dynamic AMOLED tech for that. So that is something Samsung is reserved for its flagship phones, and along with that it will feature an optical fingerprint sensor. What more is, this is the same display which you can find in the regular Samsung Galaxy A70. So looking at the design and the screen, it's clear that the main changes will happen in the internals rather than on the external shell of the smartphone. So now let's get to its internals. The smartphone is powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 730 SoC, and Adreno 618 GPU takes care of the graphical needs of the system and is further aided by 6GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage with expandable memory up to 512GB. Here you will get Android Pie with Samsung One UI on top. Now let's talk about the cameras, which will be its main selling point. At the back there is a triple camera setup with the primary camera having 64MP Samsung ISOCELL GW1 sensor. Along with that, an 8MP ultra-wide-angle lens and 5MP depth sensing lens are also available. The Samsung Galaxy A70s is armed with a 32MP front-facing camera for selfie and video chat. On the battery side of things, the Galaxy A70s has a 4000 mAh Li-ion battery with fast charging, which keeps the entertainment running for long hours, but will be a downgrade over Galaxy A70, which has a 4500 mAh battery. Additionally, it packs 3.5mm headphone jack, USB Type-C, 4G with VoLTE, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, GPS and NFC. And as far as launch date is concerned, it's expected to launch in next month. And about its pricing, it will be priced in the range of 29,000 to 32,000 Indian rupees. So the final verdict is, with a powerful spec sheet, the Samsung Galaxy A70s comes with a lot of strong features like 64MP sensor, Snapdragon 730 processor, awesome display, overall great configuration from Samsung. So guys, these were some of the confirmed detail I wanted to share with you, and hope you liked the video, and if you do like, then do subscribe and smash on that like button. Peace out.